Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea using a coffee maker. First, ensure your coffee maker is thoroughly clean to prevent any coffee flavor from mixing with your tea. Next, place your preferred loose leaf tea or tea bags directly into the filter basket. Finally, fill the water reservoir with fresh, cold water, just as you would for brewing coffee. This simple method allows you to enjoy a warm cup of tea with minimal effort. For a perfect cup, adjust the amount of tea to your liking. Generally, 1 to 2 teaspoons per cup works well. Remember that different teas brew best at specific temperatures. For example, green tea prefers cooler water than black tea. You can achieve this by turning off the machine before the water gets too hot. Also, running a plain water cycle beforehand can pre-warm your carafe, keeping your tea hotter for longer. Proper cleaning is crucial for great tasting tea and a long-lasting machine. After each use, rinse the filter basket and carafe thoroughly with warm water. Weekly, run a cycle with a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water to remove any lingering odors or residues. Regular descaling will also prevent mineral buildup, ensuring your coffee maker continues to brew delicious tea efficiently. Now you're ready to enjoy a perfectly brewed cup of tea from your coffee maker. Don't hesitate to experiment with various tea types and adjust brewing times to find your ideal strength and flavor. Feel free to add honey, lemon, or milk to customize your drink just the way you like it. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.